Hey guys, today I have the Ipsy Glam bag plus for the month of December for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into my box. And first thing that I see in here, let me get the little card out. So here's a little card and those are the products. So first thing that I see is the 111 Skin Cryo Activating Hydrogel, and that is what that looks like. Holy crap, this is worth $200. Why am I always like surprised when it's super ass expensive? I'm just like, damn. I guess because I like, honestly speaking, I've never bought a cream that expensive. So, you know, I think like the most I paid is like maybe $50 for like Olay, if that. So yeah. So I always like when subscription boxes kind of send me stuff like this so I can see if it's worth the hype or not. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, she looks creamy. So let me just apply a little bit to my hand and see. It doesn't have any kind of smell. It seems nice. So hopefully this does wonders for my skin. And it says that it has ultra filling spheres. So it better fill in all this junk. It's supposed to help your skin from environmental damage as well. And it says that it's actually like a makeup primer for skin smoothing benefits. That's like the tip that they have on there. So we'll definitely try that underneath my makeup and see if it's nice. Next thing in here is Ipsy, the Venice eyeshadow quad. This is worth $60. It says the ultimate winter eyeshadow quad, a combo of matte and shimmery shades. This is what the palette looks like. And then this is the palette itself. The packaging is very pretty. I like that color. It's like a brown taupe. And then these shades are very cool undertone. I feel like I have similar things in my collection, so I am definitely going to put this in a giveaway for someone, just because I feel like one of you guys could use this more than me. It's probably just going to die in a corner if I keep it. So yeah, I will definitely put this in a giveaway. If you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me down below. I've been doing little giveaways there, at least like 2 a month for you guys. So yeah, follow me, and I also engage with you guys so much. Next thing in here is the Evolue Skincare Hydrating Serum, and this is worth $68. I really like the fact that they have like a lot of skincare in here. The only thing is that these are brands that I've never heard of, which is like part of the reason that sometimes I like these boxes, because it introduces me to things that I've never tried. Oh wow, that is like, that's literally, feels like literal water on your skin. So I don't know if it says it's a hydrating one, so maybe that's the whole idea of it. And yeah, it says a tall glass of water for thirsty skin. So it's supposed to have like a whole bunch of hyaluronic acid in it to help plump and help. So it says that a tip is to actually put it in the fridge and it will give you a cooling sensation. I know a lot of people have like those skincare fridges. I don't know if I would like that or not, because I'm a Caribbean baby. Okay, I like warmth. So thinking of putting like something cold on in the morning, I'm just like, ugh. And then the next thing is the Illamasqua liquid eyeliner, and this is worth $22. And this is a thick eyeliner. I'm not even gonna swatch it because it's going in a giveaway. I know I will not use it. I do not like felt tip pens. Over the years, I have just learned that I like the ones that have the little hairs and are more pointed at the end. Like this one, like the Hank and Henry. This is like one of my all-time favorite ones. It has like those bristles and it's just easier for me to control. So yeah. And then the last thing in here is the Complex Culture Brush and Set Bronzer Brush. This is worth $35. Ooh, she's fancy. It actually comes in a box, so I've never seen a brush come in a box. Oh, she is pretty. Okay, this I probably will keep. This is so nice. Oh, I like this. I've never heard of this brand, but this looks fancy and is super, super soft. It says, we designed this brush to make your life easier. It says it is made to multitask to save time in your day. It says that it has synthetic bristles to mimic natural hair brushes, and is a 2-in-1 setting for bronzing brush to help you both powder products. Okay, totally skipped that line. To help you apply both oh Jesus, take the wheel. To help you apply both powder products seamlessly. It is vegan and cruelty free. So it says that to use the flat side to set powder, and then to use the bronze and sculpt with the tip of it for the hollows of your cheeks. So this one I will definitely add to my collection and use. It's just so pretty, and it's very, very weighted, so that's really nice. So this one also has like 5 full-size products. As always, I will put the total value around here. It's supposed to be worth more than $120. I paid $25 from my own money for this. So I think the box is really, really nice. I love the fact that they included quite a bit of skincare. Yeah, I think the skincare is the most that I'm gonna use. The eyeshadows are nice for anyone who likes like cool tone eyeshadows. It's just not my cup of tea. And then the eyeliner for anyone who likes felt tip, but it's not my cup of tea. So those two I will be adding to like a giveaway for you guys. And yeah, that is it for my Ipsy for the month of December. Let me know your thoughts down below. What do you guys think of this month's box? Do you like it? Do you hate it? I'd love to hear back from you guys and just kind of get your feedback. I have to say it's a nice box. I like it. I don't know. I guess I expected more makeup, so I'm just like, eh. But overall it's a nice box. So I'd love to hear from you down below. Follow me on Instagram down below. You can subscribe if you want to keep up with my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.